In 1999, there had been a concert in favor of the paperless. I happened to be there and filmed a young singer who was also a sort of counterculture icon, Bertrand Cantant. 5 years later, when he reappears in this movie, he has become the main character of a tragedy. He was madly in love with actress Marie Trintignant. Then one day he was madly angry at her. He struck her, and she died. There were hideous attacks. We told you these radicals are murderers. There were lame defenses, yet he was indefensible. And yet he would have to carry this burden during his whole life, and words were powerless. For a moment we forgot about other dramas. The war was going on. The misery of the world was going on. Perhaps there was a kind of bitter symbolism in the fact that those 2 years full of sun and fury had climaxed in the story of two star-crossed lovers. And then, as usual, the tragedy turned to merchandise. A famous singer kills a famous actress. What a bounty for the scavengers. It has happened in Vilnius, Lithuania, a place nobody knows, which adds to the mystery. The crime of Vilnius. That sounds better than Brighton. Over this quagmire, all I can do is to keep a small silent place for Marie and Bertrand, and through editing, for a flimsy moment, bring their faces together.